Whatever calamity happened to you, any kind of calamity that struck, somebody got in a car accident, somebody got diagnosed with a disease, somebody's family member passed away, somebody lost a job, somebody got into a fight with their spouse and they're getting divorced, somebody, ran away from home. And people experience different kinds of calamities in life. مَا أَصَابَ مِن مُصِيبَةٍ إِلَّا بِإِذْنِ. The first thing Allah says, nothing struck anyone ever except that Allah allowed that to happen. Number one. But then the question is, why did Allah allow something so terrible to happen? And Allah says sometimes, in this ayah, there are many ayat on this, but this ayah, Allah teaches us a powerful lesson. He says, وَمَن يُؤْمِن بِاللَّهِ يَهْدِ قَلْبَهُ. Whoever truly has faith in Allah, Allah will guide that person's heart. Allah will guide their heart. And what is Allah saying? Allah is saying, my heart feels anxiety, my heart feels anger, my heart feels sadness, my heart feels frustration, my heart feels this person got away with something, they deserve justice, they got away with it. My heart feels that it was unfair, my heart feels unrest, my heart feels all of these things. But if I have iman in Allah, Allah will guide my heart through these negative emotions. Actually, some of those negative experiences are a test of my iman, and if I do have iman, Allah will guide my heart. In other words, I'm supposed to go through some of these difficult experiences to truly experience guidance. And this will be the way my iman gets secured. And iman is the greatest asset a human being can have, because on Judgment Day, the only thing that matters, إِلَّا مَنْ أَتَى اللَّهَ بِقَلْبٍ سَلِيمٍ. The only people, nothing will be of any benefit except people who come before Allah and they have a good heart. And the only way to have a good heart is to have iman in that heart. And the only way to have iman in that heart is Allah will guide that heart. And the only way that heart to be guided is to go through a tough experience and hold on to your faith anyway. This is a remarkable thing Allah has said. In this ayah, Allah is telling us to face a traumatic experience, to face it, to deal with it, but deal with it with faith and not let it change you. And this is why the best people that ever lived, the prophets themselves, every one of them are victims of trauma. Every one of them were surrounded by toxic people.